Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's fantastic to be back with you today.
It is. How are you today, Paul?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my coffee, and I am ready. How about you?
I am very well, thank you. I am excited about our topic today.
Ooh, yes. You said we have a very important topic. What is it?
Today, we are going to answer a big question. A question every English learner asks.
Oh, what is the question?
The question is, how do I learn English fast?
Yes, fast. I like fast. Everyone wants to learn fast. But Emily, fast sounds difficult.
It is a great question. And yes, fast can sound difficult. Many people ask, is 10 minutes every day good? And yes, 10 minutes is good.
It is a good start.
Yes, a good start. But is it fast? Maybe not.
So, how do we go fast?
To go truly fast, I think you need 3 things. Not just 1, 3.
3 things. Okay, I am listening. I have my pen.
Good. You need, number 1, a plan.
A plan. Okay. I like plans.
Number 2, effort.
Effort. That sounds like work.
Yes, it is work. Smart work. And number 3, this is very important. Rest.
Rest. Like sleep?
Yes.
Wait, effort and rest. Work and sleep. That is interesting.
It is. They work together. So, are you ready for the fast plan?
I am ready.
Me too. But wait, before we start, we want to ask you for a small favor.
Yes, please do. If you like our podcast and you want to learn with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. And if you can, please share it with your friends and family. It helps our channel grow, and we appreciate it so much.
Yes, we do.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. Give me step 1, the plan.
Okay. Step 1 is the plan or your routine.
My routine. Okay.
Many people study for 4 hours on Saturday, and then nothing on Sunday, nothing on Monday, nothing on Tuesday.
Yes, Saturday is a long day, and then I forget.
Exactly. Your brain forgets. A better plan is not 4 hours on one day. A better plan is maybe 30 minutes, but every day.
30 minutes every day. Okay, I can do that. That is not too long.
It's not. But here is the secret to the plan. Don't do the same thing every day.
Oh, why not?
It gets boring.
Yes, very boring. So, what do I do?
You make blocks, time blocks. Each day you have a different focus.
A different focus? Tell me more.
For example, Monday, 30 minutes of listening.
Tuesday, 30 minutes of reading.
Wednesday, 30 minutes of writing.
Ooh, listening, reading, writing. What about Thursday?
Yes, we do. Okay, Emily, I am ready. Give me step 1.
The plan.
The plan. Okay.
Many people study for 4 hours on Saturday, and then nothing on Sunday, nothing on Monday, nothing on Tuesday.
Yes, Saturday is a long day. And then I forget.
Exactly. Your brain forgets. A better plan is not 4 hours on one day. A better plan is maybe 30 minutes, but every day.
30 minutes every day. Okay, I can do that. That is not too long.
It's not. But here is the secret to the plan. Don't do the same thing every day.
Oh, why not?
It gets boring.
Yes, very boring. So, what do I do?
You make blocks, time blocks. Each day, you have a different focus.
A different focus? Tell me more.
For example, Monday, 30 minutes of listening. Tuesday, 30 minutes of reading. Wednesday, 30 minutes of writing.
Ooh, listening, reading, writing. What about Thursday?
Thursday, 30 minutes of vocabulary. We will talk about that. And Friday, maybe speaking.
Wow, I love this. Monday, listening. Tuesday, reading. Wednesday, writing. The routine is not boring. It is different every day.
Yes, exactly. It keeps your brain fresh and excited. That is a good, fast plan.
Okay, so Monday is listening. That is easy. Is that the effort?
Ah, that is a perfect question, Paul. And that brings us to tip 2, effort.
Effort.
Listening to our podcast is good. It is very good. But it is passive listening.
Passive? What does that mean?
Passive is when you just listen. You are in your car or you are cooking dinner, and the podcast is on. It is good, but your brain is a little sleepy.
Yes, my brain is sleepy when I cook.
To learn fast, you need to be active.
Active? Like I go to the gym?
No, not the gym. Active means your brain is working. You are doing something.
What can I do?
And this is the big tip for everyone listening. This is how you use our podcast to learn fast.
Ooh, a secret tip. I am ready.
Don't just listen to the podcast. First, get a notebook, a special English notebook.
Okay, I have my notebook.
Second, when you listen and you hear a new word, a word you don't know, what do you do?
I just keep listening?
No, you stop. You pause the episode.
Pause, okay?
Then you take your notebook and your pen, and you write the new word.
Ah, I write the word. Okay, pause and write.
Yes, and one more thing. You repeat the word out loud.
Repeat it. So, I speak.
Yes, if you hear the word table, you pause, you write Table, and then you say table.
Wow, this is very different. So, the tip is pause, write, repeat.
That's it. Pause, write, repeat. That, my friend, is active effort.
I see. My brain is not sleepy now. My brain is working.
It is working very hard. Think about it. You hear the word, you see the word when you write it, and you speak the word when you repeat it. You use 3 senses. Your brain will remember that word. That is fast learning.
Wow. Pause, write, repeat. I will never forget that. That is a fantastic tip, Emily.
It is the best tip.
Okay, so my notebook is now full of new words. I have table, happy, sunshine, report, coffee. Wow, many words. What do I do now?
Great question. This brings us to tip number 3, the review day.
The review day? What is that?
This is for your blocks plan, maybe on Saturday.
Okay. Saturday is my review day. What do I do?
On Saturday, you do not learn new words.
No new words? But I want to go fast.
Yes, but you must not forget the old words. If you learn 10 new words, but you forget 10 old words, you are not going fast. You are standing still.
Oh, that is so true. I learn apple, but I forget banana.
Exactly. So on review day, you open your notebook, you look at all the words you wrote from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
I look at table, happy, coffee.
Yes, and you review them. You read them. You say them again. And you try to make a sentence.
A sentence?
Yes, a very simple sentence, like, the coffee is on the table, or I am happy.
The coffee is on the table. Wow, I used 2 new words.
Yes, you did. Good job. You see, you are reviewing. This effort makes the words stay in your brain forever.
This is a real plan. The blocks plan. Listening, reading, writing. Active effort. Pause, write, repeat. The review day. Use the old words.
You got it.
Oh, I am so excited, Emily, but I'm also a little tired just thinking about this. It is a lot of work.
And that, Paul, is the final tip. The most important tip for learning fast.
Oh, what is it?
Tip number 4, rest.
Rest? No, no, no. I want to go fast. I cannot rest.
Yes, you can. Paul, think about your brain. Your brain is a muscle.
A muscle? Like in my arm?
Yes. When you go to the gym, you lift weights. Your arm is tired. You need to sleep. The muscle grows when you sleep.
That's true.
Your brain is the same. Studying is work. It is effort. Your brain gets tired.
Yes, my brain feels very tired after I study.
A tired brain learns slow.
Slow. Oh no.
A happy brain, a rested brain, learns fast.
Wow. So, sleeping well is part of my fast English plan.
Yes, it is the most important part. You must sleep well. You must take a break. Go for a walk. Play with your dog. Watch a funny movie.
So, it's okay to stop studying?
It is important to stop studying. Your brain needs time to organize all the new words. Table goes here. Happy goes there. It does this when you rest.
I never thought about it that way. Rest is active.
Rest is part of the plan. So don't study for 5 hours. Study for 30 active minutes. Now, if you can study for 1 hour, that is even better. 1 hour is fantastic.
That is true. 1 hour is great. But Emily, 1 hour is maybe difficult for some people. I know many of our listeners are very busy. They have work, they have family.
You are exactly right, Paul. And that is okay. That is the most important point. 1 hour is fantastic. 30 minutes is also fantastic.
Yes, the secret is to use the small time you have and then rest. That is smart. That is fast. So, Emily, this plan is fantastic. It is not magic. It is a real plan.
It is a real plan, and anyone can do it.
Okay, Let's review the plan one more time. The Mr. English Fast Plan.
I like that. Okay, let's review.
Okay, step 1. Have a plan or a routine.
Yes, like our 30-minute blocks. Listening, reading, writing. Don't make it boring.
Step 2. Use active effort.
Yes, this is our big tip. When you listen to our podcast, pause, write, and repeat.
Step 3. Have a review day.
That's right. Don't forget your old words. Open your notebook and use them.
And step 4, my favorite step.
Yes, rest.
A happy, rested brain is a fast brain. Sleep well. This is great. I feel like I can really do this.
You can, and everyone listening can. You just need a plan.
Wow, Emily, look at the time. Our episode is almost over.
I know. Time flies when we are having fun.
It really does, and thank you for these great ideas. I am starting my blocks plan tomorrow.
That is wonderful to hear. We really hope these tips help all of you at home.
Yes, remember everyone, a good plan is the secret to going fast.
That's so true. And now, before we go, we would love to hear from you.
We would. Please leave a comment for us. Tell us, what is your routine to learn English?
Yes, and tell us, do you write the words from our podcast? Do you have an English notebook?
We love to read your comments. It is our favorite part of the week.
It is. And please, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe.
And share it with your friends and family. Let's help everyone learn English faster, in a smart way.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you everyone. We will see you next time.
Bye for now.